Hello, my name is George Hernandez. My company is Paul Jacks USA LLC. We're based in Miami. We sell strand pushing machines and pre-stressing jacks. I have here a representation of a stressing bed. Okay, the object of this video is to show you another way to use the strand pushing machine. This way is to use the strand pushing machine in beds to make AASHTO girders, Nebraska type, Florida type, Texas type girders. Okay, now these blue things are the abutments. These orange things are cable deflectors. These green pipes are for protection of the strand. This string here shows the half-inch strand or 3/8 or a quarter of an inch strand that can be placed all around the stressing bed, as you can see here. Okay, these are chocks for quarter of an inch strand. Okay, now this piece here is what I call the slider. Okay, this piece here is going to carry the strand from one abutment to the other one, provided that you do not have bulkheads in the middle. This system works only with slotted bulkheads. Okay, so the slider can run freely from one end to the other end. As you can see, we have the strand pushing machine in the middle. The strand pushing machine is going to push the cable back and forth, and therefore is going to move the slider from one side to the other side. Here we have a coil of strand, and we have another coil in the other side. So we can bring one strand to this abutment from that coil, and then take the strand from this coil and pull it back. This works in the following way. We need, for this slider that I created, can be improved by you. It has this lock here and a couple of hinges back here, and you see that it opens and has some neoprene pads to allow the strand to be placed here and be fixed to the slider with this screw. Okay, so we do now a simple demonstration. We take strand from this coil by hand. We push it to one of the holes that are in our plans to use. You push it. The slider is right here, and you push the strand all the way through here. And the whole trick of this, so you can place the strand with the machine into the other bulkhead, is you leave from this point 10 or 20 feet of strand, whatever you need to leave here. That will depend on your abutments and on your bed practically. So let's say you leave like 15 feet of strand on this side. Okay, you close the lid, right here. You take your 3/4 of an inch wrench. This is a 1/2 inch bolt, and you tighten it up a little bit, just a little bit. Then With the strand pushing machine, you start moving the slider from this abutment to the other one. Before we start doing that, because you have 10, 20 feet of strand here, you have to use this ring to tie the strand to the 1/4 of an inch cable or 3/8 or whatever you use. So now you turn on the strand pushing machine and start taking your strand here. When you reach the abutment, you stop, you take the ring out, and now you can use the machine again to put your strand in the same hole from the other side. Now that you have pushed your strand, you open up your slider. You release the strand to one side, and then you put another one back in from this coil. You push it by hand, repeat the same operation over and over and over again until you are finished pushing all your strands in place. Okay? Now you do exactly the opposite. You're going to see that also in this side of the slider we have a ring also. This ring is just to fix the strand while the slider is moving from one side to the other one. Okay? As soon as you're going to hit here, you stop the strand pushing machine and you take out the ring and put it through the hole. And this goes back and forth. Underneath the slider, you can see this 1/4 of an inch pad. That's to reduce friction. We call it Nylamine. It's a hard nylon board used in the industry to reduce friction of two plates going together. Okay, so that nylon pad is very hard and very slippery, and is glued to the slider. So when it moves from from the live end to the dead end of the bed, this pad will help to reduce significantly the friction, and the strand pushing machine will do a better job. Okay. This, for the moment, is designed to carry one strand from each side to the other. If you want to carry two strands or more, 3, 4 strands, you got to put 4 reels on each side, but the strand pushing machine has to be different. We have a stronger model with a bigger motor. It's a 5.5 kilowatt motor. It's very powerful, and this strand will have to be 3/8 at least to do the operation and to carry 4 strands from this side to the other and back. Okay? This is just an idea, and this is a homemade model of a stressing bed. And I hope you understand. Any questions? You have my cell phone number. Please call me to my cell phone number, 786-447-8990. Thank you very much.